Island style will make you smile. Tap ta da 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 da. Bush. Come join our experience each and every episode with Island Style Kitchen. Cooking in the bush.
Yes, people. Just like the title said, snake in the kitchen. So this is the entrance of the farm. Yeah, and I'm going to show you guys what the kitchen look like, and then you'll see the snake. All right. So you see we have some callaloo here. So nice callaloo, them be. Yeah, man. This is our farm where we cook. We have some banana trees, some sugar cane over here, and a whole lot more crops. All right. So I'll do a different video for the farm tour one day, but we're gonna go right into the kitchen now. I'm gonna show you the kitchen. Wagwan, people. Yeah, man. You know, so we're there up on the farm today, and we're planning to cook some food. Yeah, peeps. You know, this video is not really too much about cooking today, but we found a snake in the kitchen. I was cleaning up underneath the table, and I found a snake in the box. So Ansman and Biggs don't reach it, so I go and cover it up back, and then I'm going to put the box with the snake on top of the table. When Biggs see the snake, I want to see Biggs' reaction, and I think it's going to be priceless. So just sit back and enjoy this video. And here is the entrance of my kitchen. This is my little table area here, and I have a little bit of cupboard space underneath there. Over here, this is our stove. I have my 2-burner stove here. See it? 2-burner, people. Bush pot cooking, island style kitchen. This is where I started out most of my cooking. Kind of busy now, so I can't really cook on the farm because sometimes we can't get everybody together. Yeah. Over here, this is my oven. You guys haven't seen anything in the oven as yet, but I'm thinking about putting a cake or something in the oven soon, or bread. All right, people. The snake is inside here. He's underneath the calabash and the other stuff that's inside here because we haven't opened this for a while now, and I think rainfall and some water get inside there. So I opened it early and I saw the snake in there. So I didn't want him to jump out or anything. So I close it. I'm going to put it on the table, and as soon as Biggs get here, I'm going to tell Biggs to take out the calabash and take out the other stuff. And I want to see his reaction. What's going to happen when he see the snake? So just stay tuned, because I think Biggs' reaction is going to be priceless. Boy, people want to see Biggs' reaction right now. Besides, I bash them. Let me measure them. Huh? Right in the one there. So onto the one in the water. Measure it properly, man.
Yes, the one in the water. Yeah, no. But deeper.
Which one?
But deeper.
Alright, sir. Yeah. Be your water and I think, dog. Take out and sit there, man. Yeah, man. Well, people, I just saw the snake here, and I left the snake. I left the snake for mess up Biggs. Alright, Biggs, come. Well, peeps, long time we don't come on the farm, and look what we found today. You see him? We found this guy here. Snake on the farm. People say ants, man, ants are clear up the table, you know, so. But ants free for going in the box, because ants are one of the mother snake, you know, so. We don't think no more snake there. Ants, man, you free of snake?
I'm going to tell them what the part of
Ants, man, I jump. Listen. What are you going to do with the snake?
Let's going to kill this brother. Nature.
Yes, brother.
Yeah, man.
So Biggs is about to catch and release, yeah? Put back the snake in the wild. Make him live, you know? How am there?
Yeah. Good man.
Alright, people. So see the snake there? Let him go back into the wild. Nah, kill him. Yeah, man, give thanks to life. All life value, people, so we not kill nothing. Yaxter tell you, you know. For humans, look what you have done. Yeah, man. When you check out that tune there, Yaksta Cavani. I'm going to leave the link for Yaksta Cavani in my description below. So look out for it and go listen to the song, Humans. Yes, people. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it entertaining. Big's reaction was priceless. Just leave it in the comment what you think about Big's reaction. I am definitely going to be cooking today. I'm going to be cooking chickpeas rundown, or it's otherwise known as garbanzo bean, with some ground provision. I am going to post that video soon, so you guys can stay tuned for that video. Yeah, man, it's an awesome dish, chickpea. And chickpea is high in protein, so if you guys want to go on a diet, or if you want to avoid eating meat, chickpea is a high source of protein, so you could have some chickpea. And you can use like vegetable with some broccoli or something to the side, some spinach, and it's a good way to start your diet, you know. It's very high in protein and low in carbs, so I would recommend you definitely try this chickpea recipe. So, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit all post notification bells so you don't miss out on the next episode of Island Style Kitchen and the Bush Pot Cooking. Alright, so peace out, one love, stay safe.
Yo, Island Style, see the cooking gone island wide. Bling her up. Island Style, yeah, the Bush Pot settings. Everything there, I talent stew chicken. Island Style, yeah, real finger licking. You know, here say it better than KFC chicken. Island Style, what you cooking? Smell it from a mile now, everybody looking. Vegetable cut straight from the farm. Island Style, Bush Pot, you what that a go on? What we doing? Cook, 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 cook. Island Style, we a cook, yeah. Cook, cook, veg, cook, cook. Any kind of dish we are. Cook, 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 cook. Island Style, we a cook.